What's up, everybody? The 70 Beetle. Helping this guy, gonna restore this thing. It's gonna be a long project, but the first thing we're doing here, replacing the cross member, the main suspension cross member. It's pretty rusted out. So it's been a long time since I worked on a V-dub. One of my first cars was a 69 camper van, and growing up in Hawaii, I grew up around these things. And my first car was a 78 Corolla, and that's my dad forced me to start learning how to work on that thing. Next car was a 69 van after I wrecked his 79 Mercedes 300 SD. So after that, I was on my own. He kicked me off the insurance, and that was that. Spent my whole senior year of high school working and going to school. Basically 5 to midnight was the days. There's the new cross member. So, but yeah, check out this engine though, all original. That's all OG oil bath, air cleaner, twin pipes out the tail. Cool car. It's gonna be a fun project. So that's about it. I'll show you guys afterwards, man. I got to get cracking. This guy's paying me, so I'll be back. I ain't gonna show too much. You guys want to learn how to work on one of these, you got to figure it out on your own. They're not fun, but they're cool. It's fun when it's done. Like, share, subscribe, notification bell. I'll keep you guys posted when I get this front end back together. Hopefully I can get it done today. Take care, everybody. Peace. Aloha.